Deputy Commissioner Andy Carcera is also here. Morning, Andy. So, again, we'd like to acknowledge the presence and our partners in government, National Telecommunications Commissioner Attorney Ella, Cybercrime Investigation Coordinating Council. They will be here, and Agoy Paraiso is on his way. And of course, our friends from the CIDG. Good morning sa inyo lahat. We also want to thank our partners from the media. Thank you for helping bring these important conversations to more Filipinos. And your presence today, all of you, will reflect shared commitment to protect Filipinos and increasingly digital. Today, how much of how we live, work, and transact happens through our mobile devices, from communication to financial services.